Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Edo from Fixing WP is here, and in today's video I will show you how to scroll an image from top to bottom on hover, just like you see on my screen right now. We will do it with Elementor without any codes whatsoever, and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so I have this page I created with Elementor specifically for this tutorial, and I also took a screenshot of Fixing WP homepage from the top to the bottom. As you can see, it's a very tall and very long screenshot. I would like to display it inside my Elementor page with the option to scroll down to it when we hover over it. As you can see, our content is pretty wide. I wouldn't want to display it on full width, so I'll create a new section and I will drag the grid widget. I will create a grid system so I can display the hovered image only on half of it. So let's change the grid system to be 2 columns, just like so. And now what I will need to do is just to drag the elements into the grid, because as you can see, it's empty right now. So let's start by dragging the column into the left side of the grid, just like so. And we'll need to assign a background image for this container. So we'll go to the Style tab, and here under Background we will apply a background image. That will be the screenshot. Great, once loaded, let's adjust its properties to top center. Under the Position tab, just like so, we'll change it to no repeat, and we'll stretch it to cover the full width of the container, just like so. We finished with the default state of the background image. Now let's move on to the hover state, and we'll do the same technique. We'll apply the same screenshot to the background image. This time, instead of position it top center, we'll position it bottom center, and we'll do again no repeat and cover. Here we can adjust the transition duration. You can scroll it up to 3 seconds. However, you can manually type a higher number if you want, but 3 seconds is good enough. That's the time it will take it to go from the top to the bottom, just like so. As you can see, the container height is pretty small, right? We can't see much of the background image. So in order to adjust the container height, we'll need to drag a spacer widget. So we look for the spacer widget and we'll drag it over here right into the container, and we can just slide it to the right in order to increase the height of the container, just like so. Now if you want to prettify just a little bit better, you can move on to the parent container tab and into the Style tab, and here we'll go to the border and we'll add a solid border just to frame the image a little bit better. It's going to be easier to see that it's an image with borders, just like so. You see, it looks very good, working perfectly fine. You hover on it and it will scroll you down. The last thing that left for you to do is just to publish it. So we'll reopen the Elementor panel, we'll click on Publish, and we'll then revisit the live website to make sure it's working there as expected. Just hover over it and test it. Alright guys, so thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you found it useful and you can implement it on your own website. Reminder, Fixing WP, we specialize in everything WordPress. If you need us to fix or maintain your website, please reach out to us at fixingwp.com. Please also like the video, share it, and subscribe to our channel, because we have more great videos on the way. I will see you all in the next video.